Hi guys, think what we're on. Maybe you recognize the logo. When I do Alt N, maybe there's another hint. These are all wallpapers I've never seen before. That's one you should recognize. So Alt P, previous. We are on this one. So 2404. We are on hardware, right? I made 2 videos on VirtualBox and it was really nasty. So anything that doesn't work on VirtualBox or any other sandbox, that's what they are. They're not using the full memory, they're not using the full CPU. Go to the real thing. So I have a PC ready, and as you can see, it is super responsive and there is no issue. And everything is just working awesomely, splendidly, right? So there you are. You have a script that you can launch from the ArcoLinux. Let's show you from the ArcoLinux Nemesis script. So github.com/eric_ArcoLinux Nemesis, hidden away in personal settings. Ubuntu has been 2 things. As you see now, transparency is in order. Picom is built. Tip to do that: sudo apt install picom conf. That's the one, right? And it's basically something I've never seen before. It's this. I said, okay, let's look at these things, and 080, that's the only thing I would look at. It's opaque, it's its opacity, right? All the rest I just saved and then apply, and then you get something. You get a picom.conf. Move the picom.conf to our scripts and say to the script, go and use the new picom.conf, this one that we've created. Overwrite the one from ArcoLinux, because on Ubuntu we need another config. Fine, right? So this is the code that's at this point in time in there. So should anything be wrong, it's here. Go and have a look and maybe use the GUI, right? Maybe it's interesting or easier or more to your liking, and have a look here what's possible, and Google, of course, all these technical things that you say, what is all that, right? I don't know either. But we do have transparency. We do have also this fading away effect, which is quite nice. And to be honest, it's nice. And we did have Arco GTK theme installed in the meantime. If I just go to the other computer and ask him to do a git ahead, because git ahead doesn't exist, I've added VLC, simple screen recorder. Picom is new, and the picom.conf, of course, the file as such. I've added fonts hack, that's important, fonts hack. The Alacrity configuration from ArcoLinux is used, right? Why invent again the same thing? So our ArcoLinux Alacrity is used, but it used the font, the hack font. So now I have also added the fonts hack, it's called here in Ubuntu. NeoFetch is also installed. So Alacrity, yes. Variety, exactly the same thing. Variety, I've added the config from Variety to this here. So we have our own scripts, set wallpaper, Arco. So that's working now on Chadwm. So Alt N, that's why it works, and otherwise it won't. Simple as that, it just won't work. It has to do with, yeah, Chadwm, DWM being DWM, and you have to understand how it works, right? So that's done as well. Variety works. I've added file roller, I see, and the suckless tools D menu, right? If you say, Eric, what are you reading? It's all online, right? But it's of course convenient if it's offline and I just go to my other computer and read it. But we're talking about this. Eric Dubois, ArcoLinux Nemesis. From now on, you have something. No, 1S. You have a script to, again, right? Control Z. Yeah, S. This is what I'm reading. Picom, NeoFetch, Alacrity, Variety, file roller was added. It's not called D menu, but he figured it out. Ubuntu says, you want suckless tools. So now I've changed it to actually not D menu, but suckless tools is actually the official name in Ubuntu. And adding powerful control, and just keeping reading to my right, much easier. Powerful control is in. Yeah, the thing that I still need to do is Sublime Text I'd like to have, some other application I'd like to have, but mainly the poll kit. I don't know if there is any pop-up or poll kits. This I won't do, guys. Figure it out. What font do you want to have in here? Just change it. Same thing here. That's no challenge. It's just copy paste the code. Otherwise, this is Discord, Firefox, Brave, Opera for me anyway. I have a special one. WinStick is there. Powerful control is this one, I think. This is Telegram, and that's gonna be Vivaldi. So just remove code or stuff like that. That's Chadwm building. All right, so now you know where I'm at. Virtual machine is beautiful, but hardware is much better, faster, better. And we figured out picom as well. So now maybe poll kit if it pops up somewhere. All right, cheers.